Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Options. Today we'll be seeing how to cook snake gourd vegetable. We got 2 tender snake gourds from our garden. It is very fresh and we would like to cook right away. So in a pan, I'm taking a little coconut oil and seasoning it with mustard seeds. As they start fluttering, we can add the cut vegetables. I've cut it long. It's a simple poriyal, which we call it in Tamil. This vegetable is called padval in Hindi, podalanka in Tamil, and padavalanka in Malayalam. It is a low-calorie vegetable and rich in fiber. Now we add the vegetable and saute it on a low flame. It cooks slowly, so we can just cook it on a low flame. Snake gourds are rich in iron and protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, and B. We can also cook the flowers and the leaves. This vegetable is able to reduce the fever in the body and cools the body. It is good for weight loss and detoxification. It also reduces many respiratory problems in the body. After a little sauteing, I'll add some onions. I'm adding onions a little later because onion cooks faster. Also, snake gourds are gentle on the stomach. It cures a lot of stomach ailments like boils, ulcers, colitis. It also helps in flatulence and constipation. It is good for the heart. It reduces palpitation. This vegetable also enhances your skin and hair. It is good for reducing obesity and also fights immunity. You can see I'm sauteing it with onion. I added a little turmeric, salt, and chili powder. That is all I'm adding. We wanted to eat it fresh, so I'm not using a lot of masala. Now it is ready, cooked. 15 to 20 minutes, it becomes tender and cooked. I'm also preparing kootu curry, or just kootu. It's not a curry. I'm not making a curry, it is just a kootu. So for that I am boiling Bengal gram, that is chana dal, with a little salt, It is boiling on one side. I am adding a little coconut oil in a pan. After the oil is heated, you can add a little mustard seeds. When they start fluttering, you can add some curry leaves. And the cut vegetable. Sorry, after curry leaves we add some split chilies, green chilies, and some onions cut nicely. Saute it a little. When the color of the onion changes, you can add the cut vegetable. For this I have cut the vegetables in small pieces. Snake goats is anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic. It helps in arthritis, insomnia, asthma, heart disease and liver disorders. It also helps in curing general weakness and in diabetic nephropathy. It also acts as an vermicide, a laxative and a purgative. We see so many uses of this vegetable. So I encourage you to grow this vegetable in your garden if possible, or you can get it from the market and cook and eat. You can cook and eat very often. So this kootu curry can be had with rice and papad or appalam we call. It is usually made in south of India. You can also grind some coconut and make it a curry, but I am not making a curry today. It is just a kootu. I also add some ginger because we are adding some gram, so it is better to add some ginger for digestion. Saute it a little. I like this kootu very much. Whenever I get this vegetable, I make a kootu. So this year in the garden we just got 4 or 5 because we planted it very late. So I just got 3 or 4. Next year we will plant in February itself so that we can get plenty of the harvest. We got the green variety with stripes. There is also another variety which is light green in color, light greenish and grayish in color. I like the green one. It is slender and long. whereas the other one is a bit bulky. I'm adding the cut vegetable now. For food to cutting this way, it's better, so it nicely gets cooked and mixes with the dal. You can also add some coconut in the end, but today I'm not adding. I'm just making it plain. If you add coconut, it is very tasty. Now you can cook on medium flame, medium high. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes after covering with a lid. So it needs to cook with the steam that is produced inside. The color of the vegetable changes from dark green. Now we add the dal, which is boiled with a little water. So no need to add water separately. So the dal has got the water. Now once again we give it a good mix and cover it with the lid for 10 more minutes. So this is my way of cooking. I usually add some coconut, but today I'm not doing it. A little turmeric. That's all. We don't need to add anything else. Only we just cover it and let it cook for 10 more minutes. This is a very tasty dish. I want all of you to try and tell me your opinion. If you all like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. So now the dish is ready to serve. Check the salt and you can serve it. Thank you.